Alright, you guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again by my house. I found the 2018 Chevy Camaro SS, guys, new for 2025 Hot Wheels monster trucks. It's not new because they released it in orange back in 2020, I think. I remember. Just the new paint, new variant, but still cool because I don't have it no more. There's a back, guys. Name 18 Chevy Camaro SS. Truck type muscle, strain, smoking real tires, crash attack, competition crush. All I need for this case is bone shaker. Oops. Nissan Skyline and toll, and I have the whole case. There was a chase for this one too, I think. I'm not quite sure. I think. Right, let's go and open this thing up. And you put the light on this and see the paint detail. Ooh, okay, so here it is, guys. 25. Look at that glossy black. Monster trucks on the front in big letters. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks 25. Orange roll cage, the white beadlocks, dark blue rims, black tires, silver chassis. And it has headlight printing as well. There's a headlight and grille printing. And, ooh, wow, tail light printing when it says Monster Trucks on the license plate. There it is, Monster Trucks. The roof flame, the side of it. Of the white that's going on up here. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Share, guys, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.